Welcome back to Auto Engine, the channel where we take you on an exclusive journey through the world of automobiles, luxury coaches, RVs, and everything that runs on wheels. Our mission is simple: to bring you the most detailed reviews, specifications, and insights about the vehicles that define innovation, comfort, and performance. Today we are going to explore one of the most iconic luxury motorhomes available in the world right now, the 2026 Newmar Mountain Aire. This motorhome is not just about travel, it is about experiencing a lifestyle of unmatched comfort, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Newmar Mountain Aire sets new standards in the luxury motorhome category. It is designed for those who demand both power and refinement, offering a perfect combination of performance and luxury living. The first thing that sets this motorhome apart is its foundation. It sits on the Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, one of the most trusted platforms in the industry. Powering it is a Cummins X12 diesel engine that produces a commanding 525 horsepower and an impressive 1695 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse ensures that no matter how steep the climb or how long the journey, the Mountain Aire moves with confidence and strength. Driving has been made even more enjoyable thanks to the new Rayco 20K independent front suspension, which replaces the older Meritor system. This upgrade brings tighter steering response, smoother handling, and an overall more stable ride. Combined with rain-sensing wipers, a digital dash, and advanced driver assistance features, piloting this luxury coach feels as modern and effortless as driving a high-end car, but with the comfort of a rolling 5-star hotel. From the outside, the 2026 Mountain Aire immediately commands attention. The exterior design is sleek and modern with 4 new full-body paint schemes named Dylan, Fairweather, Emmons, and Blackthorn. These graphics give owners the chance to express their personality and stand out on the road. Moride baggage doors now come standard, offering easier access and better durability. Under slide-out LED lighting adds a touch of class to evenings at the campsite, and a 43-inch exterior television is included for entertainment on the go. The overall aesthetic is one of elegance blended with practicality. Stepping inside, the luxury continues with interiors designed to impress. A new chestnut cabinetry color has been introduced, alongside a two-tone option with Summit. The result is a fresh and sophisticated look that pairs beautifully with polished flooring, premium leather seating, and handcrafted woodwork. The Euro Booth dinette now comes standard, offering both style and space-saving convenience. For those who choose the theater seating option, the center console has been redesigned to offer more storage and better usability. Every inch of the interior has been created with comfort in mind. The living area is spacious, open, and filled with natural light from large panoramic windows. Plush sofas, recliners, and entertainment systems make it the perfect place to relax whether you are parked by the mountains or near the ocean. The kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves to cook, featuring polished marble-style countertops, stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, convection oven, and plenty of cabinet space. Soft close drawers and LED accent lighting add to the luxury feel. Moving toward the bedroom, you are greeted with a true sanctuary on wheels. The king-size bed is designed with premium bedding materials for maximum comfort. Around the bed, there are wardrobes, overhead storage, and nightstands to keep essentials close. The lighting is soft and adjustable, giving a calm and relaxing environment. Some floor plans even offer dual vanities and spa-like showers in the master bath, ensuring that the comfort of a luxury home is always with you, no matter where you travel. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Mountain Aire. The Silverleaf system has been replaced with the more advanced ATC system, which gives you better control and connectivity throughout the motorhome. The inverter has also been upgraded to a Victron MultiPlus 3000-watt system, delivering more reliable power management. Optional solar upgrades now include high-efficiency 120-watt Merlin panels that allow for more off-grid capability than ever before. Together, these upgrades ensure you can enjoy the luxury lifestyle of Mountain Aire even when you are away from traditional hookups. Newmar has introduced multiple floor plans in 2026, giving buyers the ability to choose a layout that suits their lifestyle. The 3823 floor plan measures 38 feet 10 inches in length and focuses on storage and a rear bedroom king suite. The 3825 emphasizes scenic enjoyment with dining position to capture views in a spacious kitchen design. The 4,118 stretches to 41 feet 10 inches and is ideal for entertaining with opposing sofas, a large kitchen, a midship half bath, and a luxurious rear suite. The largest option, the 4,551, measures nearly 45 feet and provides top-tier luxury with a spacious kitchen, pull-out counters, king-size bed, dual vanity full bath, midship half bath, washer-dryer, and plenty of storage. No matter which floor plan you choose, each one is tailored to provide elegance and functionality. The driving experience of the Mountain Aire is designed to make long journeys enjoyable. Digital displays give you all the information you need, adaptive cruise control ensures smoother driving, and safety features such as collision mitigation and blind spot monitoring keep you secure on the road. The panoramic windshield provides expansive views, enhancing both safety and enjoyment. The overall feel of the 2026 Newmar Mountain Aire is that of a moving luxury residence. It is built for those who want to travel without compromising on comfort or quality. Whether parked in a luxury RV resort or exploring scenic highways, this coach makes every mile an experience to remember. From the craftsmanship of its interiors to the power of its engine, it represents the very best of what a motorhome can be. That concludes our in-depth look at the 2026 Newmar Mountain Aire motorhome. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough of its features and specifications, make sure to stay connected with Auto Engine for more exciting content about the latest vehicles from around the world. Do not forget to like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.